This is Access 2019 Module05 Part 7. In this case, we're going to look at how we can take our parameter query and combine it with a logical operator to do things like enter the minimum amount or enter the maximum amount. And so this is an extra segment. It's not really from the book, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we could utilize our or modify our parameter query in order to do this. So we're going to go back into our clinic database and we're going to start a new query. So we're going to go to Create and Query Design. And this time we're going to use the billing table. We're going to add all of the fields of our billing table, so we're going to double click on the table name and then drag them down to the first box. Under the insurance field, we're going to enter a parameter query. So it's going to be a square bracket and it's going to say type the minimum. Amount, colon, and then close our bracket. Now when I run my query, you can see, whoops, I got the wrong parameter or punctuation. Around it, I hit at the end, I didn't have a square bracket. So we fix that, and then we click Run, and now you can see it pops up and says type the minimum. So if I type in 50, well, it comes back and it says there is none. So let's go ahead and type in a higher number and see what happens. If I typed in 1,000, well, it says there are none. What if I typed in 100? Well, there's a whole bunch of those. So they should have come up when it said it was a minimum, right? But because it just has the parameter there, it becomes an exact match. So what I have to do is click in front of that square bracket, and I have to go greater than or equal to. So then it'll take whatever they type, and instead of it being an exact match, it'll put greater than or equal to in front of it. And so now if I come in here and type in 50, notice I get 52, 68, 55, 100. If I type in 1, then I get 40 and some other ones that were rejected with the other number. So you can see we can even add logical parameters and other things around our parameter expression in order to expand what we can do with a parameter query. So we're going to call this minimum parameter. And then I'm going to close that. And that concludes this segment on parameter queries.